In this video, we will discuss about how to find uncertainty in density. Density rho is defined as mass by volume. Let us say a cylinder is given whose mass is 15 plus or minus 0.1 grams. Okay, and it has got a diameter. Radius is given as 1.1 plus or minus 0.2 centimeters, and this length of the cylinder is given as 5 plus or minus 0.2 centimeters. Okay, so because there is an error committed in mass, radius and length, so this m by v is affected, therefore the rho value also gets affected. There will be some uncertainty in the values that you obtain in the rho value. Rho value also we need to finalize in this format. So how do we do this? Means we will take, first we will find the rho value. So this is the measurement part. Okay, so volume of a cylinder is how much? Pi r square h. So it is pi r square L here. So rho is mass divided by pi r square L. Mass is given as 15 divided by pi. It is 3.14 into r square. R square is 1.1 square into length 5. So this goes 3 times, and this is 3 into 7 divided by 22 into 1.1 square. This is 1.21. So this is 21 by 22 into 100 by 121. So if we can calculate, this is 2100 divided by 22 means 22. So let us approximate it. So this is almost 0.99, and this is how much? Well, 8s are, it is almost 80%, so it is 0.99 into 0.8, let us say. Okay, so 100 is approximately 100 by 120 means 25, 26, so it is close to 0.83. okay, so 0.83 means 9 is 27, 2, 27, 29, 72, 72 and 7, 79, 7, 11, 12, 8. So this value is approximately 0.83 grams per cc. This is the rho part. Now if you want to get this delta rho by rho, what we need to do is we need to add the errors. So there is an error committed in mass and there is an error committed in volume. So it will be delta mass by mass plus delta volume by volume. But delta volume again depends upon two parameters, r square and this. So it becomes delta m by m plus, because it is r square, it will be 2 delta r by r, and for the length part it will be delta L by L. You need to take delta m is 0.1, so 0.1 divided by 15 plus 2 into delta r, 0.2 divided by 1.1 plus delta L, 0.2 divided by 5. So this is 1.1 by 15. You need to calculate these values, whatever value you get, that, let us say you got some x, so delta rho by rho, so delta rho will be rho into x. Rho we have already found out, it is 0.83, x value we need to find out. So for finding out x is 0.1 by, it is 1 by 150 plus this is 4 by 11 plus this is 2 by 50. Okay, so if you multiply 3 and 3, this becomes 6 by 150, so total becomes 7 by 150, 4 by 11. So this is 77 plus 600 divided by 150 into 11. So 670 by 150 into 11. This is approximately 4.5 times divided by 11, and this is 0.44. Okay, so this delta P value will be, now we got 0.84 multiplied by 0.44. So this value, when this is the delta P value, so you can see here it is 80 into 40 means it is 3200. It is approximately 0.32. So the error that finally we have calculated, it is in the format of 0.83 plus or minus 0.44 we got. Just check the mathematical part if I have done any mistake, but procedure basically is like this. So here, while calculating the percentage error in the density, we have to consider the parameters mass and volume individually and add them, because errors are always additive by nature.